Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, it's gonna be another unboxing, and this is from Angela Roy again. So anyways, I just cut the box open. I opened the box so it's easier for me to show you guys. So I have a tube top. Okay, I'm not naked. Anyways, because it's really hot outside and it's even hot in the room, that's why I have my fan on. Hopefully it's not too loud. So anyways, let's unbox this. And can we appreciate my flowers? Like, how pretty is the flowers? I try to arrange it really good, but anyways, let's just, oh my goodness, this box is so huge. And right there. So we got a card that says Angela Roy, New York. And what is it? The Rebellion. Welcome. Here. Alright. I just put this card back. So, last time I got the black dust bag, and this time I have a white dust bag. So look how cute that is. Wow. So let's open this. Oh my goodness. Ooh, wait, this is big. Online it looks so small. All right, so this is the Cher mini Signet bag. And let's just open her up. Oh my goodness, you guys. Oh my god. So this is the, like I said, the style for this bag is the Cher mini Signet. They do have the big one, which is the tote, and they also have the mini one, which is like probably half of this one. And I went on the size medium just because I do have like a medium bags, and I have so many like small bags. Like, if you guys know me already, I love my mini bags for like everyday going out, or like just, you know, running errands. So when I was scrolling to their website, I saw this and I kind of fell in love with it. But anyway, let's just take this off. And oh my god, she is huge, girl. So inside has a, so there's no zipper at all, so there's only like this, how do you call this, like you clip it or block it. So that's that right there. So there's no zipper, like you cannot close and like zip the bag, but there is like two huge compartment on each side, right there on each side, and there's like a zipper inside. So let's see. Okay, so this is the one that comes with a strap as well, and they do sell like a thicker strap, and I believe it depends on what kind of strap that you're getting. I believe I saw one that's like $75 US. I have to double check, and if you're interested, I'll just put the link on my description box below. So this is in the color black, of course, like that's not even a question anymore. I just don't go out of my comfort zone like buying colorful bags. I don't know, that's just my preference. So here we have the Angela Roy print right there, and in here, I don't know if you guys can see, but oh yeah, in this side, which is my left side, there's a gold hardware, I believe. Yep, it's a gold hardware, so you can clip the shoulder strap or like the strap. And then in the back, there's another like gold hardware, so you can put like the strap. So inside you have the AR, like the Angela Roy logo right there. And then on the zipper, there's also AR, which is like their logo. You guys can see hold up, right there. And the zipper, I mean not the zipper, but there's a whole, what is this? It's a card. Oh, there's a cleaning instruction as well. So if you're not familiar with Angela Roy, I did a first unboxing with them. If you haven't watched that, I will leave it on here on my link or like in the screen. The Angela Roy is vegan luxury handbags. They sell like handbags, and it's vegan, so vegan and cruelty free. So I think that's their brand. So let me just take off this plastic. So the strap is adjustable as well and has like gold details, and so are the hooks right there. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys a closer look of the bag right there, also in the side. So here's the back, then there's another side right here, and then the bottom of the bag has like gold hardwares, so that's cute. So with this style of the bag, they do have other colors as well. They do have the light mud gray, which I was planning to get, but they're still out of stock. They also have nude pink, ash brown, and a light gray. So if you are interested on, you know, looking for this bag or maybe buying this bag, I will, like I said, I will leave their link on my description box below if you guys are just interested. And some of you guys DM me if I can do a video of what fits on the Eloy Satchel bag, which is from Angela Roy as well. So I'm probably gonna do that tomorrow. And also this one, if you guys are interested on what can fit on this bag, because like I said, they do have different size. I believe this is the mini. They do have the small version of this one, and also the bigger version, which is the tote. And this is like the, yeah, this is like in the middle of the size. Okay, you guys, so that is it for today's video. And if you guys are interested on me doing another video of what fits in here, then feel free to comment down below or DM me on my Instagram, and make sure to follow me on Instagram as well, because I will be taking a lot of pictures using this bag. I already did with my Eloy's Satchel, and I've been using that quite a lot lately. So yeah, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.